Android 14 trick number 1. How to unlock it. Go to Settings. Select About Phone. Tap Android version several times quickly. On the new screen, tap and hold the Android 14 logo. Then press and hold the logo until the game launches. You'll enter a zero-gravity moon scene. It's a physics-based game meant to feel spacey, floaty, and abstract, a nod to Android's playful side. Tilt your phone to move, it responds to your device's gyroscope. You'll enter a zero-gravity moon scene. Android 14 trick number 2. Customize your lock screen. Select the Customize Lock Screen button that appears at the bottom of the screen. The wallpaper and style page appears in the settings, making it easy to trick out your and lock your phone. Phone's lock screen. Android 14 trick number 3. Activate predictive back gestures. If you haven't activated developer mode on your phone, you must turn it on first. Go to your settings menu and choose About Phone. Scroll down and tap the build number option 7 times until you see the message "You are now a developer." Go back to the main settings menu and choose System. Scroll down and select Developer Options. Toggle on Predictive Back Animations. Tap OK to accept the warning prompt that appears on the screen. Android 14 trick number 4. Use your camera flash as a notification trigger. From the main settings menu, choose Notifications. Scroll down to General, then tap Flash Notifications. Toggle on Camera Flash. If you're curious about how notifications look, tap the option below for a preview. Android 14 trick number 5. Adjust your regional preferences. From the main settings menu, select System. Select Languages from the top of the menu. Select Regional Preferences. Select from the various options available on your device. When apps support regional preferences, they pull from this menu rather than using default per-app settings. Android 14 trick number 6. Automatically confirm and unlock PIN. Go to the Settings menu, then select Security and Privacy. Select Device Unlock. Tap the gear icon next to PIN to adjust your screen lock settings. Toggle on Auto Confirm and Lock. You'll need a 6-digit or longer PIN to activate it.